Days away from Christmas, and if you've yet to finish your holiday shopping, don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Shopping expert Trey Bodge is here to share tips on how to finish off your list. Hi, Trey. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being on. Okay, I went to the mall this weekend and then turned myself right back around because that parking lot was packed solid. I said, never mind. I was crazy. I was tripping. But there are still some lines I've seen outside of stores as they're staging people in. So what's the best way to save this late in the game? I mean, besides ordering online, when you're actually going in person to a store?
Yeah, so in-store is very tricky right now. Like you said, you're going to experience lines. I would suggest maybe ditching the big box stores and shopping local. Your local boutiques need our help more than ever. So take a stroll downtown, see what they're offering. Another interesting option that you may not have thought of is utilizing a platform like Facebook Marketplace. Lots of local and small retailers and makers post their wares on Facebook Marketplace. So you can actually buy Christmas gifts that way and set up an easy, convenient pickup, and so no long lines at the mall.
I love that, and I love shopping local and going to downtowns, especially quaint little downtowns and communities. It's my favorite. Is it too late to get anything shipped in time for Christmas at this point? Should we just give up?
I personally would not order anything online right now and expect to have it shipped on time unless a retailer is offering expedited shipping for a low cost or free. I'm not willing to pay $20, $30 to ship something expedited. And so what I'm doing with my remaining gifts, if I have anybody left on my list, I think a digital gift card or a regular plastic gift card is a great option. There's a site that I work with called Gift Card Granny, and they have discounted retailer gift cards from all your favorite retailers. Or you could go to your local pharmacy like a CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid. They'll have a wall of gift cards from all different retailers, or Visa, MasterCard, Amex. Take your pick.
I like to save money, though, so Gift Card Granny is where I'm going to go after the show.
Yeah.
Okay, should I just wait until after Christmas at this point? Because I am procrastinating a bit. And it's like, you know, people aren't going to notice that the gift was late because it's just not there. So maybe I just shop on December 26th and beyond and send them a belated Christmas gift. How about that?
Well, you have to say, waiting allows you to save even more because a lot of things will be on clearance right after the holidays. So if you're getting together with certain loved ones after the holidays, I would absolutely wait. And then what I would also do, because the consumer price index is so high right now, it's so important to look for savings. And so, like I said, we'll see clearance level deals after the holiday. And then you can go to your favorite deal site and see what they're offering. There's a site called slickdeals.net. They have 12 million deal seekers voting on and vetting deals at any given time. Their front page is packed with deals right now, but those discounts will be even greater after the holidays.
Can you give that site one more time for those of us taking notes?
Sure. It's called slickdeals.net. And something that I really like about this site in particular is if you have something in mind, like that PS5 or another hot toy like the LOL Surprise, you can place a deal alert for it, and then you'll be notified when that item is on sale. And that also means that item is available. So if you have a little wiggle room with your timing, I do suggest doing that as well.
Okay. Well, since this is an unprecedented time, I'm thinking that I might tell people this is an unprecedented gift-giving season. And I'm just going to give you your gift in 2022. Trey, thank you for being with us.
My pleasure. Thanks so much for having me.
Well, still ahead, you might have printed your Christmas cards